Today we're going to drive our little Emax TinyHawk FPV for the first time. We have it bound up to a TX16S Radio Master that we bought, and we're entirely new to this hobby, so we barely know what any of that means. It's not true, but we're going to have some fun. So we're going to fly this thing around and try not to hit the dogs or scotia and have a little bit of fun with it. My goggles plugged in. Okay. And I don't know if you can see that, but we got our camera feed. Alright, let's see if I can fly this without crashing. Okay, and the doggies got really excited about that. We're gonna try to fly this again. The throttle is really touchy. It wants to kind of... There we go. Have a hard time hovering. There we go. This arm. Alright, so that's our first flight. Oh, this is going to be a chopped up, messed up, funked up video, but whatever. It's cool. I'm having fun. That's all that matters. Oh. My drone maiden. Thank you, sweeties.
You're welcome. I love you.
Can you kiss me? I love you too. Okay, let me turn this off.
Come here, puppies.
Telemetry lost.
Alright, let's see. I'm not sure how long I should wait before I run a second pack. It feels a little warm. I got a feeling it's probably mostly the VTX. I'm not sure how much the flight controllers heat up in these things. I know just from what I hook up in my RC cars that the VTX often gets hot. So I'm going to let this all cool off a little bit and we'll run another flight in a couple minutes. So I kept flying. I eventually got a better pair of goggles. I really enjoyed this hobby. We ended up moving in the process, kind of ended up like miscalculating and sort of without a place to stay for a while. And honestly, being able to fly this thing is really what's been able to keep me sane over the last few weeks or so. I had a lot more footage that I intended to put in here. I had shots of me like launching the drone from on top of a GoPro and all these other third-person shots of it going through different gates I made and stuff before we left the apartment. But I can't find any of the GoPros. Everything's like either in storage or packed up at like a friend or family member's house. I don't know where anything is. So this video is just going to be chopped up like this and be kind of a little bit of a messed up one, but it's all I can really do for now. I do have a idea for a video to come out in the future. I think in that video we're going to go through Acro mode. Most of what you see in this video is in angle mode or horizon mode. They're both self-righting modes. Acro mode, it doesn't self-right it for you. And I kind of wish I just started with that because I kind of had to like relearn to fly it again. However, Acro mode allows you to do flips and it just feels smoother. It's way more versatile and it's definitely what I want to be flying when the weather's nicer and we get outdoors. So I think the next video I'm just going to show me practicing Acro mode indoors with a lot of flips and stuff like that. And in the future, I'll probably talk about all the weirdness with our move. We'll have more bonsai and fishing and all that stuff eventually, but it might be a bit of a RC thing for a little while. So we'll see how it goes. Hang in there with me. It's always going to be about having fun. Even if I do talk about some of the stuff that went bad in the past, I'm going to be having fun and talking about how I used fun to get through things. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe. There's going to be a lot of fun, interesting videos come out in the future. Thank you.